You're not a black woman, go ahead and swipe off of this video right now. This video is specifically for black women who are interested in moving abroad. Y'all, please stop being afraid, okay? There are too many black women from many different parts all over the world who are taking a leap of faith and moving outside of the United States or outside of the countries that they were originally from, okay? Black women are telling you the truth. We are actually healing and thriving and glowing and healthier and happier and just overall getting out of survival mode after leaving from out of the United States. Y'all see the state of the world that we're in right now. Things are literally out of control. If you are a black woman from the United States, just know that it is possible for you to have a better quality of life outside of the United States that you were just born into. Like, let's face it, the United States does not care about whether or not you live or die. And being honest, a lot of places in the world don't care about whether or not black people live or die. So black women, it is imperative that you finally put yourself first. Put yourself first. Begin doing the research so that you can move abroad. And guess what? Black women are moving abroad with their families. Black women are moving abroad solo. Me and my best friend, we moved abroad together, and we've been living abroad for over a year now and traveling the world. Like, it is possible for you. And if income is something that is your biggest consideration, black women are getting mad creative, okay? If you're serious about moving abroad, go ahead and go to Stephanie Perry's YouTube and look at her videos about trusted house sitters, okay? Black women are doing house sits, essentially having rent-free stays in these nice places all over the world in exchange for maybe watching someone's cat or not watching a pet at all, okay? Trusted house sitters is an option. Like, black women, get creative, get thinking, do your research, and get moving. It is possible for you to get out of the United States. If you are from the United States, you have that passport, baby, you can be out. You can be doing long vacations, vacationing, traveling, or living in many different parts of the world just because you have that passport, okay? Get it, use it, make your plan, and execute it. And trust me when I say it is so worth it for you to take the leap of faith and trust that God will see you through and make things possible for you. Okay, I'm only living abroad by the grace of God, okay? God allowed me and my best friend to book a one-way ticket out of the United States. God allowed me and my best friend to begin content creation and starting our own online businesses so that way we could sustain ourselves while living abroad. God did that for us, and I know that God will make something shake for you. So black women, get serious, get creative, stop being scary, get moving, trust God, and take the leap of faith, and know that He will catch you. Love y'all. And if you're interested in more things about moving abroad, about travel, black girl, wellness, self-care, all of that good stuff, make sure you hit all of the buttons, and yeah, tune in. I love you, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.